Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Professor Bauer. Welcome to ICT 4105, Contracts and Procurements, Week 7. Can you believe it? In the summer quarter. This week we're going to demystify terms like RFP, RFI, RFQ, RFB, which is becoming a new one, request for barters. But the group is called the RFX, this collection of documents that are an interaction for information between potential vendors and potential buyers. And it's kind of a game in which you're getting to know one another, you're getting to build trust, you're trying to find out what kind of services do we get. We're trying to help, we're trying to get that vendor to help us to refine any ambiguities that we may have. And it's amazing how people get these terms wrong. You'll be in the lunchroom and somebody will say, yeah, we got to get an RFP for this. And they don't even know what they want. They don't know if it's going to be cloud, if it's going to be hosted in your own data center, if it's going to be software, if it's going to be something that you'll use, off the shelf stuff with, or, but they keep using, well, an RFP or an RFQ. It's amazing. And so that's why, because I care for each of you so dearly, I have supplied with this video a guide to the perplexed in the whole world of RFXs. It's just 2-3 pages, but it'll give you a sense of what an what all these various RFXs mean and why you would use them, how some of them are similar and where some of them are very different. And so just to help you, because I just found that people get those things mixed up. So don't forget, we also return to Zoom rooms this coming week on Wednesday. You're going to be completing part 2 of the procurement plan, modifying that for your portfolio assignment, and cleaning that up. You're going to be assignment. By the way, the portfolio assignment includes an executive presentation. We're going to talk a little bit about that as we get close to it. Using PowerPoint, a brief video overviewing the procurement project for a key audience. So keep that in mind. Little video, little PowerPoint, little documents, and next week I'll start talking about what I look for in an executive level PowerPoint. In other words, no flaming logos, no cutesy stuff. Don't just copy your pages and pages of boring documentation. Not that I didn't find it exciting, but if you give your management team 10 pages of detail level docs, you put them all to sleep. So how do you condense that, make it concise and powerful? That's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so this is week 7. You've got learning objectives to understand the various different RFXs along the way, including finally a statement of work. The major assignment is a narrative about your statement of work. I've included a template. You don't have to fill out the template, but at least the table of contents should give you a sense of the kind of things that you're going to need to provide. It's a sample, but I've included it, and I'll include it as a send this week in the mail to help frame your work, just to keep it clear in that way. Keep in mind it's worth 50 points. So give it your best work, give it your best effort. Any questions or problems, you can always show up at the Zoom room. Maybe we'll take a look and we'll walk through. Yeah, we will. We'll walk through it step by step just so that you'll be in good shape when it comes time to submit that, that assignment. For ICT 4105, have a great week in week 7. Bye-bye now.